Ka Music Department jung ka Regional Institute of Advanced Studies ka khot ka weria Baroh ki riu don sap ha ka ne ka shlem ai jing hikai ha ka put ka tem ka ruai ka siaw bat ki wei de ki jing hikai ki be de bat ka put ka tem ka ne ka jaka ai jing hikai ka don hadiwan nong tulu hajan ka yo dan Riphoi district ya ki jing tip ki ba khapnya phila ban shufun hau neu nambar harum khandai riu wei RR riu sau khandai sau nyeu na kaliang MLA ka Mauhati constituency uba Charles Marngar menta ka si ka arphuwei turik unailur arhajar arpulai ha ka si basaw ka dorbar senrai ka ying thawan ka Jylla ularai ka mat yakran halor ka jing Pyrshah ban pentri kami ka uniform civil code Hapoh ka Jylla ha ka baka ne ka UCC ka laban ka ki jaj ban rigo besang basa ha ka Jylla shatela mingi ka ri India na kaliang uba Charles Marngar ulaong baka sorkar Jylla ka dei ban yang ban ya teli bakam de ban priang ka jing pentri kami ka UCC Hapoh ka Jylla kumba ki we ki Jylla ki bakan thup ka Jylla Mizoram Nagaland bar Kerala kim pediang ban pendri kami ka uniform civil code.
I had a vision if this uniform civil code is implemented or being operated fully as an act, then it will have major impact on the interests of the minorities and the state as a whole. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very happy that during the summer session, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Gentle Hills Autonomous District Council passes resolution to oppose Uniform Civil Code in order to safeguard, to protect the interests of the indigenous people as provided under the 6th schedule of Indian Constitution. Mr. Speaker, sir, if Uniform Civil Code is implemented, then it will affect the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. If UCC, Uniform Civil Code, is implemented, it also will affect the law-making power of the District Council as per Para 3A, mentioned that the District Council has power to make law on land. Number 2, power to make law on inheritance property. And number 3, marriage and divorce. And number 4, the social custom. Mr. Speaker, sir, if Uniform Civil Code came into, it will affect all the lawmaking of the District Council and might be diluted, and hence the power of the District Council will be greatly affected. Mr. Speaker, sir, it will definitely have an impact on the traditional custom and usage of the indigenous people of the state of Meghalaya. The indigenous people, be it Khasis, Jantias and Garos, has their own custom and traditional on marriage, has their own traditional inheritance property, marriage and divorce, succession, adoption, guardianship, etc., that are still strictly followed till date. The custom and tradition is one of the unique identity of any particular tribe in the state of Meghalaya. But sir, all these custom and tradition will be diluted, and slowly it will disappear as a result of the Uniform Civil Code came into. Mr. Chairman, sir, the sacramental aspect of marriage in the Christian community also will be diluted. Mr. Chairman, sir, I am afraid that family breakdown will increase day by day, and it will have huge impact in the society. Mr. Chairman, sir, the National Law Commission, after taking the public consultation, the report was submitted in the year 2018, and it has clearly stated that the Uniform Civil Code is not needed. Mr. Chairman, sir, I personally, as a legislator, and one of the leaders of the state, I feel that we should be more aware of the impact of the Uniform Civil Code, where private members' bill were being brought in the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Henceforth, I call upon the interests of all of us to reject the Uniform Civil Code as it is not needed in a beloved state. I'm very happy to see that our Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, in the last few months, he has stated that Uniform Civil Code goes against India's identity. I hope that our Honorable Chief Minister keep his word on this matter. Mr. Chairman, sir, some of my friends asking me, why you move this resolution? Since they have not yet tabled in Parliament and not yet passed the bill. Mr. Chairman, sir, prevention is better than cure. I'm happy to see that in Mizoram, in Kerala, and also in the state of Nagaland, they have already passed a resolution against the implementation of Uniform Civil Code. The question is, why not in our state, Meghalaya? Mr. Chairman, sir, once again, I request to all of us, as the members of this august house, as the responsibility leaders of the state, I request to all of us, let us unite. Let us stand together and let us pass a resolution to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code in our state.